going to go over the pros and the cons, things what to do, what not to do. And the very first thing is I poured on the sketch side of the CD, which is not a good thing because it comes out, you can see it through the actual paint of when it's all finished. You'll be able to see that. So technically you should pour on the other side of the CD, so that way it doesn't shine through your painting, and yeah, you don't want to see that. So, and the second thing is you should tape up the back side of the CD so that way it doesn't get all gunky with the paint, and you'll be able to see that at the very end of the painting as well. So pretty much this CD was my test subject. All the no-nos happened on this one, but it ended up turning out amazing. The Playful Pink that you saw me put in there just totally changed everything up. It was amazing. I was shocked. Kind of turned it into kind of like a galaxy kind of look, which was amazing. I'm totally loving this Lazy Susan, having a lot of fun with it. So there will definitely be more. I've gotten a lot of ideas on different things that I can do, which is cool. But yeah, it's kind of mesmerizing watching the paint just flow off. But now the fun part is trying to get it up and off without messing up what you just created. Now the torch is just to help lift everything up and make sure that you get all the air bubbles out, and if there's going to be any cells that they come up. But I don't use any silicone in my paintings. Well, I mean, I do. I try not to. I don't like using it. Because after you use it, you have to wait for the paintings to dry, and then you got to clean it off, and it's just a pain in the butt. I don't like using it. But look at, you got the navy and the white, which is a Playful Pink. I mean, the wet reveal is just so different than the dry on that dark one. Now we're going in with the white CD, and this one I'm pouring on the right side, and I have taped up the back side, so I'm doing everything right this time. So I have learned my lesson. But yes, it's definitely, you know, it's a learning curve, but it's easy things to fix, which is nice. So now this one, it is going to go to the woman who gifted me the CDs, and her color scheme was the navy, the gray, and the white. I did leave out that Playful Pink by Arteza because it always throws in that curveball. It changes, and we didn't want her color scheme to change. We want it to stay the navy, the gray, and the white. So, but I did learn that all you have to do is little bits of paint, not a lot. So it's kind of cool to see that, you know, a little bit goes a long way when you're using the Lazy Susan, and it gives me lots of ideas for things that I can do in the future. So you will definitely be seeing more videos of me doing this. I just recently got my hands on some tile, so I'm going to be doing the same kind of thing but with tiles. So I'm very excited about that. You know, I'm always trying to, you know, keep things fun and exciting, trying new things. So if you guys want me to try something, definitely put it in the comments and let me know what you want to see, and we'll see what I can do. Now the white and black paint have something in them which helps create cells. Supposedly I'm doing like a hybrid of the Dutch pour and the bloom technique, which when you do the bloom technique, people put a whole bunch of stuff in there, you know, like min wax and I don't even know, but I really don't like putting special additives in my paint. You know, the only thing that I really put in is, you know, like the pouring medium, and sometimes I'll put in, you know, the mica powders just to try to get some kind of reaction. And yes, eventually I will be doing mica powders and the acrylic paints on the Lazy Susan to see what happens. We just didn't do it this time because I was doing this for this woman because she had gifted me the CDs. So but we will be doing that in the future so we can see what effects we get. But yeah, I'm not putting all that crazy stuff in it just to get a bloom technique. I like to be simple, let the paint do its thing, and see what happens. I'm not all into formulas and, you know, yeah, just be simple. Boy, that's pretty. Winter Wonderland. Now look at this dry reveal. I mean, the difference between the dark one when it was wet and now that it's dry is amazing. I mean, that playful pink really changed things, and you can definitely see the etching. And look at that. You definitely need tape on the back side. 100%. But it's just so pretty. And that one is just Winter Wonderland 100%. And the difference, no tape to tape, there is a little bit of paint. It's white, so you can't really see it. But I mean, definite difference. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys have a great day. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and check me out on Instagram. Have a lot of fun over there, chatting and, you know, just discussing art and, you know, all that awesome stuff. And go ahead and leave me comments. Let me know what you think, and look forward to hearing from you guys. Have a great day.